Okay guys, I just said to you we'll have a look at one of these. This is the new, as I said, Special Hobby. This is the E4. This is really nice. Bit more than your old Revell kit. There's all sorts of parts in there and everything else. There are some extras in there because they're doing generic parts for various kits. Nice decal sheet. No resin, no etched metal. So if you want to do seat belts and that, you're going to have to do it separately. The instruction sheet is in the usual format of Special Hobby, glossy, nice, very well laid out. Tells you all about what you're going to have to do, all the rest of it. So lots and lots, and there is all these very nice, some of the classic colour schemes that have been done, especially that one. I think everybody's done that one. So yeah, look, it's a really nice kit. If you, as I said, if you're looking for a very nice 109E to do, this would be the one I'd be looking at. As I said, there are two other companies doing them. It's going to come down to which ones you prefer plastic-wise, whether you do this one or that one. The other one from Special Hobby that we got in is this one. Now, this is a cooperation type kit. This is the Academy T6 Texan done in this format by Special Hobby. So what Special Hobby have done is given you the Academy kit. So if you know the Academy kit, you know what to expect there, so I'm not going to go further into that. They've also given you a few little extra parts. These include some resin parts and things like that to convert them to proper Harvards, clear parts. There's extra clear parts in there. I think there's a little bit of resin in there as well, if you can see there. So that's pretty cool. And very nice decal sheet. The instructions cover the usual format of Special Hobby, so they tell you what you need to do. There's various canopies and things that you've got to change. There's some nice detail there. There's your little bit of, there's the extra canopies that they've done, even telling you which ones not to use. A little bit of resin there as well to work on new exhausts and stuff like that. So very good. There's a little PE set as well, and this one does give you seat belts, which is pretty cool. So there's all that. And then the schemes cover about 6 aircraft. So there's all various ones. Mostly there's a British one, some South African ones, Canadian. This is RAF in India, apparently. So that's pretty cool. I think that's Flying Training School, SRAF. Somewhere. So there's quite a number of schemes. So if you're looking to do a nice series of Harvards, this is a really nice kit to do it. So yes, you can just sort of, as I said, there's 5 different colour schemes in there, various bits and pieces to convert them to Harvards rather than the T6 that's in the kit. So yeah, look, really nice. They're in stock right now. So there you go. Have a good day.